Elia, did you take one of these medicines?
Yes.
How many?
One.
Only one or two?
One.
Can you open it?
Yes.
By yourself? Okay, open it. No, open. You're not opening it.
Yeah. Look at that.
Yeah, open it.
Okay.
You can. So how did you open it before?
Because I put the wrong way.
I did the wrong way?
Yes. I could open it.
You sure you can? Okay. I'm very happy to hear you can't open it. Definitely trying. Okay, you're a burglar. Open it, no?
I can't do.
Okay, can do. Okay, all done?
Yeah, I can't do.
You cannot open it? You want me to open it?
Yeah.
But you already had one medicine today.
Yeah.
Okay, all done.